welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be talking about the app that I created, which is Taskflow. So the purpose of this app is a modern full stack app, and it has quite functionality built with T3 stack, combining real-time synchronization between API and front-end dashboard with interactive Swagger documentation. And it has the main features and the authentication system, user registration, and login with secure password. So without talking too much, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this app works. So I have my front end, which is the main app, and my Swagger UI HTML to test out the backend API. So now I'm going to log in. I have my username, which is mark22@gmail.com, and the password. Now I'm going to log in. After logging in, we are introduced to a new phase where we can create our new task and the description, and we choose whether the priority of this task is medium, low, or high. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test first on my main app and see what pulls up in my Swagger UI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the first task, which is maybe swimming, right? Swimming description. Let's say I swim for 3 hours. After, I'm going to code Python, right? This priority, let's say it's high. Then I'm going to create the task. What I'm expecting is uh, the task to be imported successfully, and I'm expecting to see that task in my Swagger UI HTML. So let's create the task. As you can see, I have my swimming task here, and the priority is high. I can even edit it using the CRUD functionality. I can say it is medium and save it. Let's just save it. Save completed. Then we save. Create task. Okay. It's medium, right? So let's uncheck this. It's medium. So what I'm going to do is check my Swagger UI. Inside my Swagger UI, I'm going to see the task that uh, I have, and I'm going to get all the tasks. I'm going to try it out and execute all the tasks. As you can see, the user ID is required for me to see the authentication. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in first, put in the Gmail that I had, which is mark22@gmail.com. From my main app, just copy this, and I'm going to paste it. Then I'm going to put in the password, which is Vaseline at 27, right? Then I'm going to execute it. As you can see, the status was successfully done. Now I'm going to, in order for authorization and to get access to the backend API CRUD functionality, I need to copy the user ID, and I need to go to my authorization. So I'm going to paste the token here and then authorize it. As you can see, I have access to the CRUD functionality. It went through and it is available. Now I can post my restaurants and see what I get. Now let's do this. We have our tasks. Let's get all our tasks. You're getting all our tasks. As you can see, we have swimming for 3 hours. After, I'm going to code Python. We have all of these tasks as per said in our main folder, main app. And mind you that the pro tip, this dashboard auto refreshes every 2 seconds, trying to create or updating the task in Swagger UI, and we watch them appear here instantly. So I'm going to let's say I want to create another task via this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say learn spring instead of t-stack, learn spring, uh, and I just need to add, let's say, and Java, right? And I'm going to execute it. I'm expecting a 201 status code, which means it went through and the task was created. In order to see that it was created, we go to our main app and we see if it really pulled through. As you can see now, we have learning spring and learning T3 stack, and we can edit and delete it the way we want. So this is my T3 stack project, and I also have my main code, which is my app, my API, my components, and my Prisma query. What happens here is that the dashboard auto refreshes every 2 seconds and try creating or updating tasks in Swagger UI, and we watch them appear here, and I can even log out and log in. So these are my tasks. Thank you for viewing my YouTube channel, and I hope you learned something from this video.